Florida's social media law has been temporarily blocked by a federal judge. More on that coming up, but first, Samsung has published a blog post teasing the next chapter of Ultra, and it included an animation of a phone that clearly has the form factor of the Galaxy Z Fold. The phone silhouette folds out to show a device as big as a small tablet and then folds in again into the size of a phone. Samsung's post was vague and didn't give out specific details about the device, but it sounds like the company is cooking up a new product that has the capabilities of its Ultra range in the body of a Galaxy Z Fold. You can use voice controls on the phone while it's folded to ask its AI assistant to text your family or friends and to find a restaurant you can eat at, Samsung said. You can finish unsent work emails, browse online, game, or capture photos while the phone is in its folded state. Unfolded, it becomes an immersive entertainment hub or a workspace. Samsung said its Galaxy AI features will be designed specifically for the foldable form. It's been rumored for a while now that the company is launching a trifold phone this year. The animation in the teaser didn't show a trifold form factor, so unless this is a redirection by Samsung, it's likely another device altogether. If it is indeed an Ultra version of the Galaxy Z Fold, we can only wait and see if Samsung will sell the ordinary Z Folds at a lower price or if it will add several hundreds to its pricing for the Ultra variant. Remember, you can find the latest gadget news, reviews, price drops, and more right now at Engadget.com. A federal judge has temporarily blocked Florida's new law that bans some children from using social media and requires parental consent for others, according to court documents. Judge Mark Walker ruled in favor of two tech organizations, NetChoice and the CCIA, representing social media organizations like Meta, Snap, and X, saying that the state's bill HB 3, signed into law in March this year, is likely unconstitutional. The law requires parent or guardian consent for 14 and 15-year-olds to make an account or use a pre-existing account on a social media platform, while children under 14 are banned altogether. Platforms must abide by requests to delete these accounts within 5 business days, and each violation could result in a $10,000 fine. That increases to $50,000 per instance if it is ruled that the company participated in a knowing or reckless violation of the law. Floridians have the right to access lawful speech without the government controlling what they say, share, or see online, said NetChoice Director of Litigation Chris Marquez. The state of Florida tried to bypass normal First Amendment free speech protections by employing the narrowly tailored rules, saying the law is designed to protect children from 5 addictive features of social media: push notifications, autoplay videos, live streaming, infinite scrolling, and personal metrics. However, the judge ruled that the application is too broad in ways that have been shot down before by the Supreme Court. As applied to plaintiffs' members alone, the law likely bans all youth under 14 from holding accounts on, at a minimum, 4 websites that provide forums for all manner of protected speech: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat, Judge Walker wrote. It also bans 14 and 15-year-olds from holding accounts on those 4 websites absent a parent's affirmative consent, a requirement that the Supreme Court has clearly explained the First Amendment does not countenance. Children could also be banned from social media even if the platforms created youth accounts without any of the 5 addictive features, as long as they were available for adults. The judge also called out the law's specificities about the ability of a child to access a platform based on how much time all children spend on the app. The ruling does leave one provision in place. Social media companies are still required to terminate any account held by a youth under 16 in the state upon the request of a parent or guardian, as required by the bill. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Steve Dent and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.